Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make water kefir at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. Active water kefir grains, about 4 cups of filtered water and 1/4 cup of sugar. Make sure your water is chlorine-free to protect the grains. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal stirring spoon, and a breathable cover like a coffee filter or cloth. Now, let's begin the first fermentation. Dissolve 1/4 cup of sugar in about 1 cup of warm water, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Pour this sugar solution into your glass jar, then add 3 cups of cool, filtered water. Gently introduce your water kefir grains. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it. Allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. After the first fermentation, it's time to separate your grains. Carefully strain the water kefir into a clean bottle, catching the grains in a non-metal sieve. Your grains are now ready for a new batch. Store them in fresh sugar water if not using immediately. For a flavored drink, add about 1/4 cup of fruit juice or a few pieces of fruit to your strained kefir for a second fermentation, lasting 12 to 24 hours. Once your water kefir is ready, whether plain or flavored, refrigerate it to slow down the fermentation process. This will help preserve its taste and fizziness. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade water kefir within 5 to 7 days for the best quality. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fruits, herbs, or spices in your second fermentation to discover your favorite flavor combinations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.